big. What? No, 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 no. Who got police cars? No, whoa, hey, yay. They got police cars now. What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are going to be playing Tasty Planet Forever, and we are going to be trying to complete. We're not going to be trying to complete. We're trying to complete at least 7 to 4 levels. 4 to 7 levels, I mean. Because last video you guys gave me 27 views in 3 days. That is amazing, guys. That's why I'm going to be playing this again, because you guys really want a part 2, because this used to be a game that I played in my old channel, which got deleted. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's see what's in for us today. Let's see. We can only eat the chocolate. Ooh, okay. I ate something else. That hurt. No! Why do I keep messing up? Where's the chocolate? Oh my god. Where's the oh my god, guys, I keep eating it. Oh, guys, I just completely messed it up. Sorry. So we're gonna have to eat all of these people to be able to get big, just to eat these big cars. There's no way. Oh my god. Hopefully none of them call the police. Oops, I got hurt by a car. Bro, guys, these people inside the cars, they see a big cat just eating people. Why don't they just drive faster? Or like run away, or maybe trying to like crush me over, but we're blessed that they're not. Actually, imagine this game does not have any what is it called? Any realistic features. It's just them screaming. Just watching a big fat cat just eating them. And the guys, cats are so fast. Maybe only when they're like scared, but maybe when they're happy, they're not that fast. They don't like run when they're happy. I don't know, what do they do? Meow? Oh my god, there's so many cars. When I can eat the cars, I'm gonna be having an eating buffet. It's gonna be like a buffet, guys. I'm gonna be eating every single car. Oh yes. Only 15, about 40, 46, 44, 43. Oh, these 97, 81, 76, 73, 66. From 91 to 66. That's not that bad. Oh, when are we done? We're still not done. Oh my god, let's go. We ate everything. Okay. Hey, 2.5 stars is good enough, guys. Tour de Bagute. What? Oh my god, these cyclists. There's so many baguettes. Oh my god, this is kind of cool. It's like a racing track. Who made this? Whoever made this is like an artist. They're very good at art. Oops, okay. 97, that took 97 points. That's like eating 3 croissants. 3 croissants. It's like when you get hurt by this guy. Be careful. Guys, if you guys own a bike, be careful. Always look at the road. Well, focus on the road. because you do not know what's gonna be in front of you if you're on the road. Oh, baguettes now. We're gonna be eating their tracks. They won't even know where to go. How do they still know the track? I'm gonna eat it all because they're not gonna know where to go. Give me all of these. We're gonna be able to eat the cyclists soon. Very soon. Very, very soon. No, I thought I could eat him. I was about to get excited. I just can't hide. How do they still know where to go? I think I remember this is like this and like that, but yep, it was just like that. We got a little bit of croissants left over. Guys, I live in the UK. Where's the other one? Where's everything? Oh. Now it's just us eating. Random cyclists. Come on. Oh, we still have a little bit of... Okay, there we go. Come on. Please. 2 stars and a half. 2 stars and a half. Maybe not and a half. Like, okay. Oh, no, it's a flicks. What is this? This is a short level. What? I don't even understand what that is. Flicks. Little the flick of the wrist. What? Oh, yes. You can eat the bushes. We're a meter right now. We're big. What? No. Who got police cars? No. Whoa. Hey. Yay. They got police cars now. Oh my god. They're police cars. They're police cars. No, not again. Police cars. Please don't eat me. Oh, he's just hitting the bushes. Oh god. Oh, psyched him out. We psyched out the police. We. Oh, they're gone. Oh, there's another side to this place. I didn't realize that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Please don't come again. Yes, you can eat police cars now.
Yeah, I'm ate 6 crisps.
Oh. Negative.
Yeah, I'm ate 6 crisps today.
Yeah, I bought them, okay. To be honest, I bought them.
Yeah, but 6
Negative 100. That's just because of that police car. Oh my days. Fast food cafe. How long have we been recording? Hey guys, let's play fast food cafe. A foreign restaurant chain is building up a local restaurants eat up all their red awnings to drive them out of town. Okay, let's go. I want to eat the cars too. Oh, I can, but like I shouldn't. Oh god. So it should just be slow. No. Cars, do not come at me. This is the first time I've ever... Oh my god. Doesn't red cars count too? Oh my god, guys. I just keep eating them. Yes. There are 23 awnings. Oh my god, cars, just stop driving into me. No, guys. I definitely lost the game. Doesn't red cars also... Oh my god, guys. I'm just rushing. Now I'm just rushing in the game. There's no... Oh, yeah, there is 4. That's right. Okay. See. Okay, 1 star and a half. We should not talk about that. Vos Corviaux. Wait, so we finished 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Should we really... Guys, let's leave the last level for the next video. Let's actually just end the video here. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. We will see you guys next time.